everyone, welcome back to Gossip with Khana. This is Khana Khajela reporting. Let's get started with today's discussion. Before we start today's episode, a very happy Holi to your family from my family. Enjoy this Holi with lots of colors and let this Holi bring lots of joy, colors, hopefulness in your life. So without any further ado, let's get started. Just like all of us, Raju also loves festival, and as we all know, Holi is approaching. So Raju was very excited to do some shopping, celebrate Holi with his family, and cherry on the top, what happens next is that he gets a message that there is a sale on clothing, and he hadn't went shopping for clothes since a long time. So this was a perfect opportunity. Holi was approaching, festive sale was there, and he was all in for shopping. So he opens the message in order to see all of the details about the sale, and he sees that there is buy two and get four sale that is going on, and he is very eager that let me purchase many clothes. And after reading that, the first thought that came in Raju's mind was that let me purchase a bunch of clothes, because I haven't purchased clothes since a long time, and maybe I will not purchase it for a time now, and I don't know when I will get a chance to purchase it next. The first thought that comes to Raju's mind is that let me buy a bunch of clothes through the sale, because I haven't purchased clothes since a long time and I don't know when I will get the time to purchase clothes after now. So Raju contacts the number that is given below in that message. The person on the other side answers, and Raju says that please elaborate me about the sale. The person on the other hand replies that sure sir, let me explain. First of all sir, it's a limited time festive sale. It's a buy two get four sale, and you will save a lot amount of money. Secondly sir, you will have to pay online and we'll deliver it right away at your home. On hearing that, Raju is surprised because usually he buys clothing and merchandises through offline stores just to make sure that he gets the right size and it's a perfect fit. But he agrees because it's a good offer, it's a good deal. And he says, just send me the link, I'll select the items and pay whatever I have to pay. And I'll pay whatever I have to pay. That's not a problem. The person on the other side says that sure sir, I'm sending you the link. You can add to cart whatever items you like and you can also select your size. After that, please proceed for payment. The payment link is in that link inbuilt. Raju says that sure, let me just visit the link. Raju adds many items to the card and it adds up to the bill of around 20,000. And we all know what happens next. Raju pays the amount and he is scammed again because the clothes never got delivered because the person on the other side was a fraudster. So what did we learn from this story? Point number one, if you get such a deal online where you have to pay through messages, first of all, check the payment details to the person you are paying, the receiver of the payment, which is the option available to you while you pay. You can check the details to who you are paying. Secondly, prefer purchasing offline in case you have to pay and purchase through unauthenticated, unverified, unknown e-commerce site. Lastly, if you are a victim of such a scam, do report it to your nearest cybercrime station or to the official government site www.cybercrime.gov.in. We will meet next week. Till then, keep smiling. This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming. A KH production.